Hi friends, I just got my Truly Alpha ring. This is a really nice ring. First, look how nice the envelope is. Okay, this is the Celtic dragon green design. Okay, see how nice it is? And it is of carbon fiber and tungsten, so it's really durable. It's scratch resistant, and as you can see, it looks really nice. You can use these rings for any occasion. You can use them as wedding bands, for a graduation, for a birthday, for a special occasion, to recognize someone about something special. They are nicely sized, as you can see, and you can find them in different colors. I think this is a really nice line of rings, nice designs, nice colors, and really durable material. So I really recommend them. Truly Alpha rings for men. Thank you.